Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will tell you about how we can make calculator by using AI. Let's start this video at a first open browser and search ChatGPT or Gemini. Type this make calculator by using HTML. Add features, and add and downward reset button. Add temperature converter. Copy this code. Open VS Code and create new file of HTML and paste this code. Click Write in Program and click on Open with Live Server.